Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy official Trump meme coin on Solana. Alright guys, so here's how you can go ahead to buy this coin. Make sure you have some Solana on your wallet. If you do not have Solana on your wallet, click on the buy option you find on your home screen and you'll be able to buy your Solana tokens using your credit card or debit card. So make sure you select any of the options for your credit or debit card and you get some Solana. All right, so with your Solana on your wallet, the Phantom wallet, which is the wallet I'm using for this tutorial video. So make sure you have a Phantom wallet or any Solana wallet that can search for tokens. So with the Phantom wallet selected and used, head to the swap section at the bottom of the screen. And where we have you pay Solana, you receive USDC. In place of USDC, simply search for official Trump. Click on official Trump. And for $6 worth of Solana tokens, you can get yourself some official Trump coins. All right, guys, so simply enter an amount of the official Trump coin you wish to buy and simply click on the swap option and you'll be able to swap your tokens. So do note that you will be charged for a gas fee upon buying this token on your wallet. Do know that you'll be charged a gas fee for this transaction. And once the transaction has been completed, you will find the official Trump meme coin on your Phantom or Solana wallet after you simply search for it. Another option of getting yourself the Trump meme coin is minimize and open up your browser. Once you've opened up your browser, head over to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Use the search icon to simply search for official Trump. So click on official Trump and here we can have a look at the price. Simply scroll through till you find its contract address on the Solana blockchain. Copy this contract address, minimize and open up your Phantom wallet. And then where we have the swap option at the bottom of the screen, simply click on the Trump coin here again, paste the contract address we had copied, click on the official Trump, enter the price and click on swap, and it's done. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.